Hi friends, welcome back to Chaman24. In this video, I will share my experience with Hyalo Gel, and also we will discuss on what is hyaluronic acid and how to use this product, and the correct way to use it, and the benefits, myths about this product, etc. The main ingredient of Hyalo Gel is hyaluronic acid, which is the component present in our skin naturally, and it decreases as we age. We see baby skin is so much smooth and supple, right? So it's because they have so much hyaluronic acid while birth, but right after birth it will start to decrease, and this causes our skin to lose moisture, and thus it leads to saggy skin after our 30s or 40s. So it is one of the best humectant you can use on your skin, and humectant means something which locks the moisture. It protects the skin from water loss. It also provides a lot of hydration to the skin. It attracts moisture from the air and it traps into the skin. So this is the product called Hyalo Gel. It is an over-the-counter hyaluronic acid, which is an affordable option for everyone. So this comes in a 30-gram tube with 220 rupees. You can get it from pharmacy or through online. The ingredients of this one is aqua, hyaluronic acid, carbomer, preservatives. It is fragrance-free, color-free, hypoallergic. This is a non-greasy and non-oily, non-comedogenic product. So they have mentioned as preservatives, but I hope the preservatives can be parabens, because they nowhere mentioned that it is paraben-free. So I hope it is having parabens as preservatives. The best way to use this product is face should have little moisture while applying this. It means you should not squeakly thoroughly clean with a towel. Little bit dab with the towel and then apply this. Or you are a person who uses toner, you can use this right after your toner. You can apply near the eye area also, and there will be no irritation. This looks like an aloe vera gel. It's a clear gel without any color in it. It's transparent. It will completely get absorbed very quickly, and you will feel a little bit stretchy feeling after it's absorbed, but not uneasy or something which is not comfortable, but very little stretchiness, which is okay. And after it's absorbed, you can use any products which you want to use. Whatever you apply after Hyalo Gel, it is going to penetrate very well into the skin. So you need to apply your regular moisturizing cream on top of it, because hyaluronic acid takes moisture from air and it works well in places with cold weather. So our climate is different, so we definitely need to apply a moisturizer along with this. If you don't apply moisturizer, then the opposite will happen. This will dry out your skin. There is some questions which people have: will this brighten up the skin? This product is not going to brighten up the skin or make you fairer as it is marketed by some YouTubers, but it will definitely give a glow to the skin, and the glow is because it firms up the skin. And once the skin looks plumpy and supple, smooth, then automatically you will feel better and beautiful. So that helps with the younger looking skin. It has some anti-aging benefits, and it is one of the best product you can use if you are starting your anti-aging skin routine, since skin hydration is the first thing in keeping it younger and helps to delay the aging. So this is the best ingredient you can include in your skincare if you are in your mid-20s, and it is best for beginners also. People in 20s can use this. Will help to delay the aging process. And you can use Hyalo Gel with any other active ingredients like vitamin A, vitamin B3 or vitamin C. This will not counteract or react badly with any product. It goes well with any other products. And also there is no timing for this. You can apply either in the morning or in the night according to your convenience. It also gives an illusion of glass skin by making the skin glowing and oil free. So If you have an oily skin also, this can suit you. This will actually reduce the excessive oiliness on your skin, which I have, and I have used it personally, and I have seen that this actually reduces the excessive sebum. Many YouTubers say it gives a glass skin or Korean skin. Of course, Koreans have a good skin and they use lot of ingredients in their skincare. They layer up things a lot. Their products also contain hyaluronic acid, so maybe because of this many people say that. But this definitely gives a plumpy skin. I don't think that this can help you with achieving a glass skin, but it's just an illusion because of the little glow this product gives to your skin. But many YouTubers say that you can achieve glass skin because of this, but I don't believe it. Derma fillers also use hyaluronic acid for filling. You may have seen many actors, celebrities do filling on their cheeks or lips to make it plump, but the effect of those fillers will get reduced after 6 months. So what happens, they may have to do it every 6 months. Best option is to use a serum or hyaluronic acid product, gel, cream, or like this. It can also cause excessive drying if not used in the correct way. So moisturizing is always needed with this one. My final thoughts about this product would be, this is an affordable option for people who cannot afford pricey hyaluronic acid serums, and this is very affordable one, and one tube will last you for at least 1 month. So I hope you will like this video, and if it helps you in some way, please subscribe to my channel and support me.